Championship welcomes each and every one of you. Of course, Team Lakay, we are so proud of everything that they've accomplished, and therefore we'd like to invite the key members of Team Lakay on stage. First of all is their head coach, the one and only sensei himself, Mark Sangiao. Coach Mark, please come and take your seat. All right. And our female atomweight, one of the top female fighters, April Osenio. And we have another female atomweight prospect, Gina Conviction Inyong. At syempre, meron tayong mga paparating na bagong stars from Team Lakay, and one of them is, we'd like to introduce him to you now, Joshua Pasio. And we have a prospect now from the flyweight division, Danny Kingad. At isa naman sa mga fan favorites ng Team Lakay, also in the flyweight division, JJ Gravity Eustachio. And our next fighter is one of the featherweight rising stars for Team Lakay. His brother Eric has already been a star in one championship, and now it's time for Edward the Ferocious Kelly. Next fighter, you know very well, he's been a finalist in a Grand Prix in one championship, and he's a bantamweight contender. His name is Kevin the Silencer Belingon. And of course, former one championship featherweight world champion, and now he has moved over to lightweight, Honorio the Rock Banario. And of course, last but not least, the reigning and undisputed one lightweight world champion, Edward Landslide Folaya. Okay, tapos naman tayo sa mga photographers. Are we done?
My question is, this is for Joshua Pasio. Seeing 5 of your teammates with one case of destiny, how does that motivate and inspire you, especially a possible rematch against Yoshitaka Naito on the horizon?
The past April, my teammates and seniors won 5-0, and it motivates me a lot. And yung parang nati-triple pa yung motivation. You know? Kasi 5-0, then upcoming fight ni Coach JS, this May, namomotivate ako by pushing myself in training, at yun, ina-expect ko na may possible rematch this end of the year, and gagawin ko lahat para makuha yung dapat sa akin.
Okay, thank you very much. Any other questions? Yes, Ivan.
Speaking about January, I'm Ivan from the Road Philippines and what are you expecting in your match against Bunra? Kasi decision. So what's the difference from this time?
JK is different this year. We fought way back 2015 in Mall of Asia. I believe I'm still a child on that race, but this time I'm a grown man. I have improved all the aspects of my MMA, and I believe 2017 is different.
Follow-up?
Alak to Conrorio. Sa point ka ba na hindi si Publicity na kalaban mo and they're still open to fight him sa the near future? Sa point ka ba na hindi si Publicity yung nakalaban mo nung last month then they're still open to fight him?
Sa totoo lang, medyo disappointed ako kasi yung piniprepare ko talaga is si Publicita. Pero nung 2 weeks for the fight, biglang umatras in some reason. And parang medyo marami na akong iniisip kasi baka hindi na matutuwa yung laro. So I'm disappointed but I'm happy that my fight is yung fight ko is natuloy. Yun yung most importante kasi sinag-treat na ako ng gusto tapos yung biglang nawala pa ng kalaban. So I'm very grateful na yung Quadisi is humanap ng makakalaban ko para masayang yung training ko naman.
Okay, thank you, Ivan. Yes.
For Kevin Bilingan. Okay. Now that you've nalo ka na ng 2 straight matches, how do you plan to keep your winning momentum going?
Well, sana tuloy-tuloy yung panalo. Sa akin lang, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pag-ensayo para improve ko yung dapat may improve sa training. Because yan, pinaghahandaan na rin yung title shot kung may ibigay yung title shot para makuha yung
I have a follow-up for hopefully each of you can answer. Kasi last time, of course, big win yung Team Lakay, diba? And nabanggit ni Honorio na yung about sa spirit of family dun sa Team Lakay. So, how would you describe that or expound on that, yung spirit of family sa training nyo sa Team Lakay? Or brotherhood, ganun.
Good afternoon everyone. Thank you for napakagandang question ng since kung mapapansin nyo yung Team Lakay, wala pa akong alam na parang umalis sa team. And yun ay siguro yun yung isang pinaka-importante kung bakit team ay nag-grow. Lahat sila sabay-sabay nag-grow. Walang naiiwan since tutulungan sila as brothers and sisters in training. Kung may competition yung isa, merong tumutulong sa kanya. Meron yung mga partner pa rin siya sa training. Yun yung isang pinaka-importante sa laban. Yung preparation, yung mga partner, sparring partner nila. Then yung tutulong sila sa kanila sa training. So, yun yung bonding and helping together as family. Yun yung isang nagpipicture na isa silang pamilya.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we have one question here for the young lady.
Questions for Beth. My answer ano lang po, what's next for you? Do you have any plans or any upcoming fights na you're planning to try?
Magandang tanong. Siyempre maraming susunod pa sa amin. Sina April at saka sina Gina, di ba? Sila yung next na future fighters natin na mas marami pa yung taon para i-represent yung country natin and of course the team. Sa akin naman, yung susunod, wala pang final announcement or any information coming from One Championship. So the best thing that I can do now is to continue doing the things and reviewing kung ano yung mga pagkukulang ko on my last fight, kung ano yung mga improvements na natutunan ko. I think the best thing to do is to continue growing in this sport.
And follow-up question for Mario po. Since after winning po, are you ready na to face bigger names in your division?
Kahit ano, kasi tuloy-tuloy naman yung training ko, tapos I improve every single day. So, kahit sino naman yung bibigyan nila sa akin, hindi ko naman naatrasan. So, give me some, big news.
You still haven't changed your mind. Ayaw mo pa rin pong makahanap si Ness.
Wala. Kasi nakaharap kami na palagi sa training.
Okay, thank you. We have one question here.
From GMA 7 on behalf of Chino Trinidad. Tanong lang po kay Kulayang. Sa laban ng isang MMA expert at Tai Chi practitioner, sino ang lamang?
Well, kapag pinag-uusapan kasi natin ang martial arts, it always gives a different benefit on the practitioner, and it is not wise for us to compare the things that we can be able to gain from the two martial arts. So I think if you are an MMA fighter, there will be a lot of things that you need to learn, and also as you practice Tai Chi, there are also some benefits and foundation teachings that they teach. So it's for me, kung ano ang maganda na makukuha natin sa martial arts, yun ang pinakamagandang, alam mo yun, yung pinakamagandang i-practice natin rather than comparing the two. Or in your own opinion po.
Hi, I'm going to address my question to Edward Kelly. Sa palagay niyo po, nakikita niyo po ang sarili niyo na magiging susunod na one featherweight champion in the future, at bakit?
Yun nga po, yung parang kasi nag-start ako before kami nag-start kami ng team, tapos ang nangyari na stop ako ng 5 years. So, napakaswerte ko kasi pagbalik ko sa naging team, which is yung team ko. So, parang yung isip ko nun is, gusto ko lang lumaban para ituloy yung parang hilig ko kami pa yung team. Tapos, ang magandaan ko ngayon is, yun nga po dito ako sa magandang promotion na 1FC. Tapos, nakuha ko yung tuloy-tuloy na panalo. At naging masaya ako, at saka naging prepare ko yung sarili ko para sa mga susunod na nga po yung malaking pangalan sa Philippine Television. Alam ko naman po na maraming malalakas doon, kaya binigay ko yung sarili ko, tsaka ikukumit ko talaga para sa title bout soon. Makakuha ko yung
Maraming salamat. Follow-up question po, para sa nag-iisang babae po nasa harapan natin. Si Ms. Gina Indra. Napanood ko po yung fight niyo, a couple of weeks ago. Ano pong natutunan niyo doon sa pagkapanalo, at saka ano masasabi niyo po sa mga aspiring na mga babae manlalaban din po?
Yung natutunan ko doon, huwag malitin yung kalaban. Yung una kasi, sabi ko lang in-underestimate kasi naturally, pero ang akala ko matatapos sa unang round, pero matatapos sa third round. Yung masasabi ko lang din po sa mga ibang babae, pagpatuloy nila yung kung ano yung gusto nila at yung hilig nila.
Maraming salamat.
Hello po, Miss Mars from Stick PH, Africa. To Mr. Pulayam, hi John. With the way things are going, sa teammate mo ninyo kay Miss Gina, do you think ready and right na siya to have a title fight against Angela Lee? Because blowing Angela, nakawinning streak mo siya ngayon. Diba? So what are the chances na pwede na sila magharap ng fight?
I think that question can be addressed by Gina. And
In your own opinion?
In my own opinion, I believe Gina is always prepared. She already committed herself on this sport, and that's what every athlete wants. They want to fight the champion, and I believe that's one of the things that is running on Gina's mind. Tumatakbo yun sa utak ni Gina, pero alam ko hindi naman tatakbo si Gina kapag dumating yung time na yun.
Miss Gina, ano mo na yun?
Sa totoo lang po, siya po yung, hindi ko naman po minabalik si Angela Lee, pero siya yung isang reason kung bakit gusto ko rin pong lumaban dito. Decidido po akong labanan po siya. Kung bibigyan pa ako na one championship na magkakataon na labanan siya, go po ako.
Good luck. I'm gonna root for you.
Thank you.
Just a reminder for the media, after this plenary,
Good afternoon, John Cullen, Sports Radio. Para kay Edward Chang, nabanggit mo kanina, importance sa MMA, you continue to learn. Yung last fight mo, your first title defense, what was the biggest lesson that you learned from there?
Yung biggest lesson na natutunan ko doon, if you are a champion, every contender is really hungry to come to you and see you as a food. Tinitignan mo yung pagkain. So, dapat, huwag mong tignan din yung sarili mo ng pagkain. Tignan mo yung sarili mo na gutom din kapag tinitignan mo yung kalaban mo. so yun, it really needs a lot of preparation. Don't settle na dahil tinalo mo yung isang legend, dahil naging champion ka na, tapos na hindi. There are more things that you need to prove, not only on your own, but to those people whom are you influencing. Kaya I think yun yung mga lessons na natutunan ko in that fight.
Follow lang. Nung nakita mo si Fame, anong pagkain yung naisip mo?
Sayot eh.
And then last question para kay Gay. Sabi mo dati kaya ka bababa ng tiba kasi miss mo yung abs mo. Meron na ba?
If Madam C permits, I can bring pleasure. As you can see, guys, I'm a streamer by now. I hope.
just I have one question here for Danny Kingan, our prospect. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Baka hindi masyadong kilala ng ibang media natin at ano yung mga ambitions mo, ano yung background mo, at ano yung ambitions mo for one championship. And then the same question maybe for April Osenia right after.
Yun, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung training para makabot sa mga kalaban namin yung matataas na pangalan para matikman din namin ang sayote.
Anong background mo? Taga-saan ka? Ano yung background mo?
Yung fighting, I'm from Baguio, tapos Mountain Province. Tapos yung background ko po ay Wushu Sanshu.
Maybe kay April, same question, their background and what your plans are.
First of all, good afternoon to everyone, and we would like to thank you all for coming us to see us in this special day. And regarding the question, is my background is Wushu, and I want more improvements to follow their footsteps, and gusto ko ding maging champion balang araw.
Thank you very much. Any other questions?
For Edward, this is David from Adover Studios, ABS-CBN. Question and blogger as well. Question po, is Bruce Lee one of your inspirations? And can you tell us more about your upcoming movie with BBL Entertainment?
Oo, si Bruce Lee. Sinasabi nga nila may hawig daw kami. Pero naniniwala ako kapag nagsasidekick ako. Kasi syempre nung kabataan namin, nakikita namin yung mga pelikula ni Bruce Lee. And as a kid, you want to protect yourself, diba, sa mga bully. Kaya nahiligan din talaga namin yung mga martial arts. And on that, regarding on that, I think it's about a documentary. And maganda siya. You can be able to see how I've been able to be molded as an MMA fighter now. And I hope na maraming susuporta and maraming tatangkilik kung sakaling na ilabas yung documentary namin.
This is directed by
Ticoy Aguilas.
Thank you. Santino.
Good afternoon, everyone. Dino Nasan from ABS-CBN Sports. December pa nabalikan namin nakita lumaban. Hindi napunta sa atin yung panalo. Pero gaano ka excited ka na makabalik sa One Championship cage? Ano yung mga pinagandaan mo this time around? Ano yung mga ina-ensayo mo?
Yung mga yung insight ko yung pagkakamali ko noon na gusto kong itama ngayon. So, yung pinaghandaan ko is yung cardio ko.
Okay. All right. Now, for everyone, you still have a chance to ask them personally. Can we ask our fighters here to go to the preordained spots? And then all the media can go. You can ask them personally. Yeah. You can ask them one by one. Okay. So we'll have 5 stations here, and you can I'd like to invite you to One Dynasty of Heroes, May 26. That's on ABS-CBN SNA, coming at you live from Singapore.